Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf with another online consistent money. Yes, you heard me correctly. Exactly how you can explode to a six-figure online income in the next 30 to 45 days of being consistent with what we teach, what I teach. And guess what, folks? You don't have to speak to anybody. So what you want to do right now is you want to smash the subscribe, hit the bell up top so you never miss a video from me again. And stay to the end here. I have some exciting bonuses. I'm going to start your business for fast action takers. And to take action, the link will be in this description and in the first comment of this video. So without further ado, let's go through the system. It's very, very simple. You're going to go to a capture page, which you're going to put your email address in. And it's going to take you to here. You're going to watch this video. Now, I personally have been with them now for a little less than a year, and I'm approaching 100 grand with them. This is my 50K trophy here. On the other side of my office, I have a 25K and a 10K. So they reward people for being good affiliates. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when we sell other people's stuff or product. In this case, it's a product, okay? So what you're going to do after you watch this video right here is, and the best part is, they answer all the questions for you too, and you're going to see down this page. So I'm going to show you what the product is. You're going to come over here, you're going to watch this video, explains the product. The product's advertiser. Every business, every online, every offline business needs advertising, right? So we have a discount in advertising, and I'm going to start your business, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that at the end of this video, okay? So after you come into here, you're going to want to watch this. And when you scroll down here, after watching those two videos, if you have any questions, guess what? Look at that, folks. There's an 800 number to call. You're going to leave your name and number and the best time to get back to you. And the owner, Bob Housden, is going to get back to you. And you're going to tell him Scott Darvid sent you when you leave the message, so he knows he's talking on behalf of me, because they've closed, as you've seen, almost over $50,000 worth of sales for me. So this straight up works. And I'm going to take you down a little further to show you a little bit more. Like Carol. Carol works for Carol. She's having success with it. And let me show you these first two bonuses, because you can read all this, but I really want to highlight the bonuses. Bonus number one, you do not have to speak to anyone. We do all the selling. Bonus number two, we make the sales for you, and you keep 100% of the commission. Just as if you sold yourself as they came into your store. Your direct sales of $800, $2,400, and $4,000. Now tell me right now, would that help you fire your boss, pay some bills off, or be consistent with this and do this full time? Of course it would. So we're going to it says it right here, the owner, Bob Housden, or the team member, but he's been doing the calls, he's been closing all my sales, and it's been unbelievable, folks, unbelievable. So does OCM system really work? Of course it does. I wouldn't be here showing you this. I wouldn't have this trophy back here. I wouldn't be sitting here in my home office if it didn't work. This is a business, and if you treat it as a business, an affiliate marketing business, you can leverage it to different levels, and your income is unlimited. You can have unlimited income, but you have to be consistent. And we teach you that here in the online consistent money system. Just like Dan F. in Florida made $12,800 in just 4 days, folks. It's crazy. They do the work, you keep the commissions, all right? I'm going to keep coming down here. I'm going to keep coming down, and then I'll take you into the back office and explain to you what my bonus is going to be. Look at Michael in Alabama. $4,200 in just 3 weeks. Congratulations, Michael. This is just working for more than any other people. Now ask yourself, do you want to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions? Could be mailed right to your door to Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, however you want to get paid. Yeah, it works. 6,400 weeks in for 64 in a week just for Kevin. All right, crazy. Ready to get started making life-changing money? I bet you are. I'm going to scroll down a little quicker here. This is Bob Housden, the owner, and his family. They take pride in this. They take pride in this business, and that's why I like working with them. It's an intimate but yet hands-off business to help you generate income while you're doing other things to transition out of what you're doing in a job, or you just want to have extra income that you don't have to worry about. Someone's talking to your leads for you, because that puts the human touch in there. All right, we even have click here for instructions, step by step. When you click on this, it'll take you down step by step exactly what you need to do in a line so it's easier for you to see. If you're low on funds, click here to see if you qualify. We have zero out-of-pocket financing. You can try to get start your business zero out-of-pocket. All right? So we're 5 minutes in, and I don't like to do long videos with simple systems. So what am I going to do for you, and how am I going to start your business? So first off, we're going to take you into the back office of Online Consistent Money. What are we advertising? So we have gold, platinum, and diamond. I'm a diamond. If you start at gold, that's $1,000, pays $800 commissions, okay? You get 10% off traffic, okay? You're getting 10% off traffic, which is advertising to your link that goes to your autoresponder. Don't worry, everything's set up for you. They do the setup for you, so you don't have to worry about this. And when I send your bonus, and I haven't got to the bonus yet, you don't have to worry about that either. Bauhausden and OCM are going to send me your link for me, okay? For you on your behalf. So platinum, what's platinum? Platinum's giving you 30%, okay? I'm sorry, platinum's giving you 20% discount on advertising, okay? So when you start at platinum, I'm going to send 300 clicks of advertising to your affiliate link that goes to your autoresponder. So when that autoresponder goes out, that OCM sets up for you, when they click on your link, they're calling Bob's closing the sales and OCM's closing the sales for you. And lastly, if you join at the diamond, then that's where I am, because you know what? They're now 40% off for life in this traffic membership. What I'm going to do is, I'm not going to chimps out here. I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks, okay, to your link of interested people interested in making money from home. That's as easy as it gets, folks. So remember, be sure to review all the videos, okay? Be sure to review the sales page here with all the testimonials. Be sure to make the phone call, get all your questions answered right here, and I look forward to connecting with you. I'll see you on my next video, and I'll see you on my team. Bye for now.